everyone, this is Varsha Lodhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I come up with a very great content which is about how to speak English with confidence. Why it's happened with you while speaking you are not able to be confident, you are not able to speak like pro. So we're gonna figure out this in this video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into our video. So what is the reason you're not able to confident while speaking English? Do you ask this question to yourself? Why I'm not able to confident while speaking? I ask this question to myself several times. That particular time when I'm not able to speak confident in front of other people, the reason is I'm thinking in myself. Might be if I will do mistake. Might be if people will judge me. Perhaps if I will do grammatical mistake. If I'm not able to present myself in a very clear manner. So this type of question come in our mind whenever we try to speak with other people. So how we will manage this type of thoughts while speaking that show our self-confident? There, what you have to do, first you need to use just one simple trick, which is just about help one person every day. If you want to be good speaker, you need to use these words. Help one person every day. It's mean whenever you are talking with people, you just don't think about me. Think about them. Means other person. Think about them. Don't think about yourself. What other people judge me? What if I will do grammatical mistake? What if I'm not able to confidence with other people? What if I will just my mind goes blank and I'm not able to talk with people? Don't think about yourself. We always do this silly thing. We always think about ourselves. Me, only me. Think about other person. Serve for them. When you just think about other person, like whenever I will talk with other people, that person feel awesome to meet with me. That person learn so many great things through me. Think like this, how much precious you are. Whenever just you go with them, so you do conversation. Just immerse yourself, just give lots of things to that person, lots of value to that person. When you will start giving value, then you just gonna gain confidence. This would not happen in one day. It would take little bit time, but daily with consistency you have to practice. You have to help one person every day. When you will do this one particular thing, definitely one day you would gonna fluent in English. And nobody gonna judge you because you stop to judging yourself. This is just you. You are judging yourself. Nobody is judging. Nobody care. They don't have time to judge yourself. You are the person who is judging yourself. Okay? So please learn through your mistakes. First, love yourself. First, give value to yourself. First, understand your values. First, love your worth. You are precious. You are worthy. So please, if you want to be confident, you have to be confident. Means you have to act confident. Fake it until you make it. It's mean you need to fake. You need to be fake. If you want to be real person, if you want to be confident person. So that's all about my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video is really genuine and worthy